What is up, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video, Stock Talk, where we talk stocks and crypto. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin and the couple of stocks that I said were going to play out. So the other day, I had called out this W pattern on Riot. So if you guys were looking at my stock plays, this was my measured target was $24.90, but we had a resistance at $24.50, and I had spoke about that, and we got to about 23.66 the day after I had called it. We were right about like $21 when I was calling that this was a good buy, and then we shot up all the way to about 23.50. So we were a dollar shy off one of our rejections and a little bit $1.30 off our price target. So that was a pretty good call out. If you guys were in there, shout out to y'all. If y'all weren't, then sorry, but we will be making more videos about stocks since my name is Stock Talk. But mainly I've been in crypto heavily. So let's go right back to the Bitcoin chart. We've hit half of our measured target, which was about 49,300, and another one was about 49,000, a little shy off of it, and we ended up managing to hit about 48,250, somewhere around there. So right now, what I'm seeing that I did incorrect was that this ascending triangle, I should have took a measurement either from this wick or from right here, but I'll just take the wick. This is how I should have done the measurement, and then this is how I would have got my answer, that this was the real target, which was 48,400, and we were a little shy off of it. And if I would have did it the other way around, which would have been just this to this, let's see where this takes us. This takes us literally to our price target hidden, and then we fell. So I'm learning, and now you guys see the incorrectness that I've made right here. I was a little bit too bullish. I took it from the bottom over here all the way to the top, which wasn't the correct way to do it, because this is an ascending triangle, not the bear flag. I mean, not the bull flag, excuse me. Not the bull flag. So I see what I did wrong. So for the next time, I'm going to be taking both measurement targets in case it's a bull flag or in case it's ascending a triangle. I'll take both measurements and I'll place them down right here. But for right now, I'm going to take off this one, and we'll leave this red one right here. But actually, I'll take it off because I didn't call it out, but I learned on how to do it. Regardless of anything, I'm still thinking that this is a valid price target, this one right here, which is 49,000. I do believe we're still going to hit it. And when I zoom kind of out, it looks like we're going for a W kind of low key. We got one capitulation, and we got the second one. We got our double tap confirmation off the super long term upward trend line that was made resistance, but we finally broke it. So I'm going to make this into blue, so we know that this is support now. And we got this right here. This was previous rejection on this ascending triangle, which is kind of support now. So we'll flip this to blue as well. We are closing back in at around closing back into 48,000, which is lovely to see. And this riot is starting to go back up, which I'm loving to see as well. Hopefully we shoot right back up to 23,000. But we got a W pattern forming right here. 1, 2. I'm gonna erase that though because it's kind of ugly, but hope you guys see it. So we'll take a measurement from the bottom here all the way to the neckline, bring this over, put it to the neckline, and that takes us directly to 42.50, which is our measured target. So by tomorrow, hopefully, if I'm correct, by tomorrow we should see this 24.50. So yeah, that's my little bit short-term price prediction for Riot and for Bitcoin. And let's take a look at XRP for right now. Let's see what is happening. So we knew that this W was going to give us our price target. Our price target dinged almost to the T, and we also knew that there was going to be a correction to flip this into support. Unfortunately, we broke below it, and now we're fighting this resistance again, which, man, it really bothers me that it goes up so slowly, but it falls down so fast. Like it's really annoying. But we predicted this downward fallness happening. Once again, unfortunately, we didn't hit this as we wanted to and shot back up, but I'm pretty positive that we will easily break back out of it, and we're starting to shoot back up right here. As we can take a look real quick, and we see an 86-cent, almost 87-cent XRP, which the launchpad is forming right now. Consolidation, man, we're flipping this, but we can see right here Let me get this out. You see all these resistances right here? Let me just put it out for y'all. Let's just go based off this wick right here. Let me make this red too. And let me make it a little bit easier to see. Look at this wick. Oh, this was not even a wick. This was a measured target that ended up hitting. But anyways, this was, look at this. Rejection, 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 rejection. We came down to flip this support. So now that I'm taking a look at that, that's looking quite bullish. And look at what happened. It was like a capitulation all the way down here, and we shot all the way back up. Now we're facing this breakout right here. This was like a slight bull flag right here, and then we shot up, and now we're facing this again. So this is where we gotta wait and see if we break out of that. Another one I would like to see is Mara. We ended up giving a price target of $39, which was quite excessive. But once again, this isn't things that are gonna happen in like in days, you know what I'm saying? I called this out for April, and we're not even in April yet. So we have a W pattern forming right here. I remember I said I see a small dip here, so we're gonna see a small dip here. The small dip happened. We broke out. We came for confirmation of this super downward long-term trend line. Now we can flip this into support. We bounced off it, and now we're back up. And we're gonna try to hit our price target right here of, let me switch time frames because it's too small. Let's go to the 2-hour real quick. Yeah, so we'll hit our first target right here, which is $35, 35.30, 35.20, 35.25. Let's just say that 35.25 will be one of our first targets to hit, and then we'll complete this W pattern, and hopefully we'll go to that $39 mark. It's all depending on Bitcoin, so if you guys like Bitcoin, then you guys should like Mara and Riot. And there's also other ones like SOS, BT, but I'm not doing chart reading on those right now because I'm currently in a Riot play, and I would like to be in the Mara play, but right now I don't got the funds like that because I got everything into crypto. I got everything in my XRP. One thing I wanted to talk about as well today was Hbar. Hbar was doing quite good today. I love seeing that. So I'm going to switch the time frame once again. This time let's go a little bit further out to the day chart, and we are seeing a huge W forming right here, man. I'm loving what I'm seeing. I ended up having to sell about a little bit of my bag today, which I was not liking, but it's because I don't have any freaking fiat, so I'm gonna have to sell some of my cryptos. And since Hbar is one of my smallest bag holdings, I ended up selling Hbar so I can get like a haircut and like this gym membership and some more shit. But here's a W pattern forming, and we'll put this at the neckline, and that's giving us a 33-cent Hbar. So that's if this W pattern plays out. We're breaking out of these two previous upward trend lines that were resistance, and we can make this one support now since we broke out of this one. We haven't confirmed yet, so I'm flipping into support a little bit early, which isn't the right way to do it. You see, like we wicked above both, but we came back down, and now we're at 25.7, 25.7. Where's 25.7? So we're literally at this line. We're literally at the line. So I might have flipped it a little too early, but it's okay. As long as everything remains bullish, then we should easily break out of this one, and the wick showing us hints that we'll break out of this one as well. And our measured price target for that one would be 33 cents. So let's see another one. We got quant's looking lovely. We got this W right here that we've seen. Everything was forming a W. Everything in crypto's kind of like really correlated, but I'm going to erase this W. But we have a measured price target on this one of 228 based off this W, but we're seeing another smaller W here. And one thing I see is a 1, 2, 3. We're seeing a triple tap and an ascending triangle as well. So I'm gonna try to draw that out for you guys right now. Just like that. And we get a horizontal ray, and we put it like right about there. We take a measurement from the bottom all the way to the top right here. Whoops. And we'll put it towards the breakout zone, and that's giving us about a $220 quant. So if you guys are in quant at 145, you'll practically double what you have in there. I'm not a financial advisor, do anything based on this, only invest what you're willing to lose with everything that I'm calling out right now. So just be vigilant about everything. We got a lot of things happening in the world right now. There's a lot of confusion, yet at the same time we got enough clarity to know where we're heading in the system, which is the new financial system of cryptocurrency. Not everything's going to survive. The coins that I'm pointing out to you right now are the coins that I feel are going to be making it. So I definitely I would remain in some stocks that have things to do with cryptos, because those are gonna be the ones that continuously go up when the rest of the market's going down, because you're gonna be seeing a whole lot of people from the stock market transition their money into the crypto market as they realize that they don't want to be left behind, and the US dollar is gonna keep collapsing on us, so with all this money printing and all that stuff like that. So yeah, that's pretty much what I got for you guys right now. Not too long of a video, not too short either, but I don't want to keep extending it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and peace.